Onya yobo babu ikoni enegbe ya. E ya ro wa. Ave go bibi ni wanaji. O kalajan ladani gbema. Ave go bibi ni wa yo kalajan gbema. U bi lo mi se wa bi o mi se o bi wa. U fele ya kwa. U yeti mi owe. Fun iwe ya gia senu. Iwo ki ne hu wu ya negbe. U yeti bi e children u fele kwa. U yeti vie de degbe. E yegbe sa. U don e wo ma ama biota no. Uomo iwe ya gasenu e vera iwi obome iko dan iko no gbe a woti e sa lo ni gualomo e wa rewe buna yin are Nigeria yin ya agba ori won yin are Nigeria e mo ni ma ju yin abie yin o wa ni abo yin fi wa ni ya fi yo yang agba orin e we na ti wa bi fa we ni we na wa bi rewe bu una ti bi fa we might budget 5 anyway every month I go dey give una 50 euro una to dey eat at least 20,000 or you na payroll salary. You having 3 children in Deutschland here, at least you earn more than 1,000 euro. You earn more than 1,200 something euro from government. Pay away. You earn more than 1,200. You're almost close to 300 something euro. You earn 1,300 something euro a month. What do you call use the money to do? Because when you want them, what are you going to build? That your children you have there is your everything, it's your mansion, it's your wealth, it's your pride. And we're building. They already have a life already here. The children you have here in Deutschland already have a life here. The day we pay money, the government already know what the children are going to be in future. The one you should more concentrate on is how to better the life of the one back home. It's how to better the one back home that you abandoned home. So if you are earning 1,000 euro a month as a mother, you could not use 100 euros for the 5 kids you have in Nigeria. It's a shame to you. Uye minu ya agwe ikpe anoti no seti di okoko mo kan wa ono ma be mu we una fi no gede mo fi una fi no gime una fi no girita una ro ye viate esta no wodo we e ma ro bi mu de mo ni kan o wa mu de mo ni kan gbe akia de mo ni kan o ge wodo e mo ni kan na mo fi no fi mieki. When I go fear, go fear that the kuli, that the kuli, that the kuli, aka Atakalo, the one of breakfast, the great Atakalo, the one of breakfast, or man de ba, or maro guy, Eric and I that the kuli, or who was so that the kuli, you were drum, no so can you clear, you were so can for 6 years, error. A mommy yoba or you are a woman, that the kuli, every no ya so in a you. Oh, don't. Oh, Sigman, we Rastaman never saw it too. Wag a mopping wrong. It would have voice with that quickly. He would young men of voice with that quickly. You are born a moo, Vera. There is no one yak bow morning. I will be ban with my ban because I'm a ban with who are Mark when I'm ban with it. I'm ban for a follower on the Monica. Near a go one and a query. I won't die when it book me. I won't be destiny. I will know where. I will quarrel. I will quarrel because I own son. I will be go money. It be again money bulia. Why are you in the Monica? Yagawi GPC. Yeah, it be a gas squad. It be a gas association. Happy ya. We are here back, a quaboy lack, I take me here, back ya. Here, see kalu. Yagi Monica, when I reply. Monica, when I reply. Oh, they hello my people. Hello, they didn't breakfast in the Gilaro. You could say, yeah, you could say, market where you are. Because no, we are balak. Where London? Where UK? UK, a border where ye border. Even if you know say all over, a money come like who, or man back on TV you war, or man milk ban on set you war, maybe could not say where you can. A man know you are. Oh, wow, a mamma no Wayakoa. Or a leader, why a leader that cannot leave the house, a leader that cannot go to party. Who ya warrior there or well you worry, or I've been some marketing you war. A leader that cannot go to party, a leader that cannot even visit the followers, a leader that cannot even visit a friend. And you call yourself a leader. How are you a leader? What are you? Who are you leading now? You are leading you and your children and your wife and your husband. You were my husband. Who my husband? How's dead? How's dead? You killed that man. Who bene? Who jiba? Ye? A bummer we are passing GPC. A vera. Who told you? Who make you? Who are ready to go back? Hello? What up, baby? Okay, man. Hello. Hello. Where my a power.
Hello. Ya gbero di kakere utara. Iku yara wa ku ve London ni ebe jo ebe ro.
Kagabo.
No be pe go be la kwa ebe ro pa. Owo do agbe se social media na wa be ye wa magbo.
Owo yen wa.
Do kute yo egbe ba sona.
Owo
Na
yen
wa
wa.
be ye wa because social media na yo ya e wa.
Kagabo.
Monica is person not destroy social media na. Ani afọ agbe itaani ogi ma ebe no ogi ma mi e wa no ogi ma be Monica iwa
Saga continue.
ogi igba nya zona na kwa pe ye wa magbo
E wo binu.
fuck it oje ya be London we London ke kan majo Manchester majo no ni ke ya no na nu ve jo ro nu ma be pay 20 euro 40 pounds ni la wa eru gbe ro pa wa wo agbe tete
Owo yen leader.
Social media.
Leader. The leader.
Who boy leader that lead? Who does smoky banana? I jam way. Papa when you are there, working leader. My bastard Monica, go out your face. Go out your face. You not deserve to the evil they come out again. Now you did peace for us. Walk back on your yoga.
Ayo you.
Why we need to pay this? Who was you are? I saw me down.
So me so
Give me my way social media. Look at what you are using your children to do on social media.
Okay.
Give no let you go over now. Or where we are. Now you can't bet where I'm the on social media. But there is no my way. Monica, go and kill yourself and hide that your stupid face. We're going to panic in well. People they make power.
Okay.
Very toothless woman. The guy in Omaya. The guy in Omaya.
Omuya react gweze.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ya tó ọmọ ayọ̀ yóò wá ní èdè yọrí kú ní ọ̀nà mọ́nà jóná ọ̀ tó táyà ká yọ ìfẹ́ erùgbà láyé kí àjàgé bá bì yá náà gbẹ́ ó àgbọ̀n ìdè ní àwọn àbùrùsì ìwọ́n àbùrùsì máa ń lọ́ọ́ yẹ ẹ́ lọ́ọ́ ṣe ní ẹ̀yìn wọn náà gbà lọ́wọ́ again is an illegal entry in London ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ pé visa yà àfihàn visa wù lẹ̀ sí January 6 months visa rí ẹ̀ ọ̀hún ẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ̀ wọ́n ọ̀bẹ̀ ọmọ wọ́n máa ẹ̀ pé. Yeah, they can lot of machine illegal entry. All she roll lay va. Or my own, I'm not here when I went on Balo or Bobalo or where. They got a great for social media. Iowa. As for me,
so good.
No, we need to pay the source for Io. Then while I catch a guy back.
Oh, young man, this is everything.
Carry go.
Okay, pa. You get me over. Easy. Okay, pa na se pa. Yan se pa saga. E pa wa len. Owe we la gbe va bi de. Owe to ye ki anja va bi ye. Owe PC oge ya ye ti bi boy. Iji Monica. Oh. Wa to me. Iye ki ye ko yan yan. Iye ki ita na igboja na ndu na adigboja. He Nigeria na woni a oda igboja for me because wa here we na esa. Wa here we na esa. Ya bolu agbo. Ya bolu agbo Monica. E Monica e vera. Wa me wa ke wari e vera wa ke ri we. Obazee, you want to be alone. You monetize the page where you want to be alone. You cannot fight for nobody anymore. You want to stay alone. You stay nowhere. Oh, go on, boy. You stay nowhere. Why you stay where to go and come back with you? Or go and back with you, you can stay alone. If you accept or going to kill your father and your mother, you can stay alone. You understand? Or go and back with you. You understand? Hey, what is stay away? If I ball out of your bubble, if I stay low, who roll you out of you, no matter where you are. Who do stay low? A contract no sign of Monica. No, ya been Monica because we ball work there, Monica. Una walk binance, war dunga. Why do stay low? No, but no, have you Nikita very little, only Nikita very little, the Munich. You have been, you know, Manastan, you know, any we are not coming now with live video. I'm working and I say, but a boy will make you only stay low. A boy, why is it stay low? How can I bold white boy? Why stay low? You cannot stay low. You must stay with GPC. You must stay with Ekia Magwalo. GPC Ekia Magwalo. GPC Ekia Magwalo. GPC Ekia no Kokon Magwalo. You are a Monica Ekia no Kokon Muna. Or believe that. Hey, you ever say that in your way? If one of the GPC, hey, Nia. Oh, I'm here. I'm with you. Where they are, oh, you that online dating, if a banana bottle was skin of bottle, I barrier, think tomatoes. If a ball would the war stop. When a saga continue. Saga continue. You must join the GPC, a GPC, a Wawuji, a GPC, a spirit gossip of Buwe, spirit gossip, co-work a spirit of gossip, no pump you. Why the live video, why you want spirit gossip to the body about GPC no hoa, if I know deriva, if I know deriva or boy, so if we don't worry, be like the one you waste the fire. Where I was January deriva only at where this vera. Walking you waste it. Me arguing where I wait Jim and blood was saga was Sagana. When we have, if I had over here, you just come out and sit there and no one hear you my name for your mouth again. When I don't mention my name. Like seriously? After we don't give up for them, then you or Dunga believe me the Monica High, you are really a strong woman. Who you don't give up for them, you just sit down for your house, say, you don't want to hear my name, I'm out to stay alone, I don't want to hear your name for my mouth again, I don't want to hear my name for my mouth again, then we just leave you, you could have go on back with you. Era you are young, say, for my can of you way. You are Bola, you have Era you must go this year, Era you must go until you come out and do the right thing. Well, you just say you want to sit down for house. After you don't insult people, a whole people with the smile, okay, you come out categorically and be told that your Akunuyak make clear, a can man you want, Akunuyak make clear, a can who's a make body, a cap body, a cap or cross, a cap a leg, a cap a you, Monastan, a cap a you, what would like to do, we just stay alone, who has stay alone, boy. You must go join Monica. Because as you stay, as I will go, I'm not going to beat Monica. I'm going to beat you. I will beat Monica, and you need to come out. Now, I want to start with you. And my saga, my way, hands away. It's my way. Whom you be? Who are you? If I go and hit you. Again, we are here. We are here. The convent, because even when you Okobo, a mamma, no, why you go and Manastan. So, one will be there. Walking where I mean, 8 hours job in Ogba. Manastan. When not another or about away 4 plus 4 talk bar, all remains 8 plus 81 but 16 hours. My way I really boys also be done. When I start my way I monetize when I monetize me. My way I really boy. I know I try with Facebook is YouTube not boy. Man, when I hear boy, I go YouTube every day. My way. You understand? I'm so much happy you giving me a topic for this week. Thank you very much, Vera. Vera, thank you for the topic. You understand? So get ready for my umenwa. Baba with this now. I want to beg you sigbo. This is going sigbo master. I beg the West more. I pick on a barrier almost to fear. When I pick on your fear, it is okay. How can one not care do you? Okay, no, who are waiting a go. Okay, leader that lead no leader. Why will be a big leader? A wounded leader, a leader no who are a leader no man. Why I see I? It don't have a jack because all I can't get there. I'm Bruce, you know, Balo, I'm Bruce, your Bruce, one, I'm Bruce, a Bayaho, I'm Bruce, your Bruce, I see one, and yet you will be very useless. Okbiano anyway. A responsible man. In the middle of the night, your wife will carry phone while you will be inside the bed when you are supposed to rest your head, or have vano, or have bo, robe your biabe, and you are there lying down, sleeping like a zorumako, sleeping like a mamma, sleeping like at your way or master one. I'm Brucey, oh one or one. That the kuli one, and me one, because a way master one, a way where it is sad or it will. Oh one or a making you. Oh, one the motor modia. Hello? Olobo Johnson. You are saying where they go do? What color? Where go do?
Where we were the book when we are. We want to start here. If you really go to the USS, you know, so one year we man who you might get it without the truth. You understand? Yeah, responsible.
Hey, Monica, the client. It's my responsible. Monica, that is spoiled them. Monica, that is spoiled them.
No, they are really constituting nuisance. You understand? So what they are causing problem. I know a lot of women they have home problem. You know, so there are a lot of things they said. Women they are so rude and everything. My brother, anybody not no abuse any. You remember you abuse your mother, you abuse your sister, you abuse your daughter, whatsoever. You know, or your friends, woman friend, or any woman who you abuse them. You know, so but the way they are just doing everything, you know, so the issue, my brother, even yesterday I was trying to call I was laughing. May God continue to protect you, as I said you before. You know, may God continue to protect you. You know, always the man the time I never touch it. You know. So all this rubbish. I pray may water not pass Gary before these people realize their mistakes. You know. So you see men now, men could be responsible in the fear to even near our women.
Yes,
you know, I can see one boy. This guy live in France, the wonder. He shared one sister video. I watched it. I said, "Bro, wow, what we are doing here?" You know, what we are doing here. So the character of Ishiana, she talked about it. I said, "Well, this is the real facts." You know.
Yeah.
So where we are coming from, we are forgetting many things. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm out of the art here. Now, I'm only piano walk no go me away like video. Who work with that for my sins. Why
oh, when you go work with you, okay?
For my sake,
oh my man.
For my sake, I don't know how you feel. I don't know how other people feel. You understand me? My own feelings. Oh, go work with here for my own sake. You know, for my sake, that don't go to.
Okay,
you know,
thank you very much.
I'm sorry to tell you the truth. That don't go to. Oh, go work with here for my sake. And if you really look live video with saga, or where you make sometimes you turn your brain on or way out of nonsense, yes. English provides they learn how to live with the fools and the wise. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to learn how to live with the fools and the wise. But our era right now, our era, the fools, they only booze.
The wise. Only booze the wise.
Only books are the wise men. Yeah. Can you imagine men like us who can't work one, bro? You want to call police? okay, you know you're right. Anywhere you are, you fight for your right. You understand me?
You're right.
Where for my sake, too. No matter the I don't raise your fucking heart to say because we're here feeling no matter no you feeling pan
All the we okay. Yeah.
Yes, I feel I mean what was for all not going to make me. You understand? Years back. Okay, can I say something if I permit? The man this topic well.
Go ahead, we are hearing you.
Okay, fine. In those days, back home, Iraga hera Nijima. Eh? Nijima heri.
Yakabo.
But years back. If there's not the one to walk. But they are not doing all those things to scatter the house. They were making peace to brought us up. My tradition remark. Okay?
Yeah.
So this time around, bro, we are very right. We are quickly when I realize to hell with you. Okay? That one is number one. And there's one thing our sisters they are missing. Or you hear it very equal here they have. They don't know this thing.
Yeah.
They don't know. Mommy will respect you. Bro. I will this woman is very ugly, but yeah, I will not punish him. Because what you are getting, rest of mind, I like rest of mind because of a grandma Pimao.
Oh, bro, one of you, I mean, I'm going to money the Babas in Warimana. Yamani day. There will be a day who create this kind of other because Iana, you are able to run it to bun either Bononia or the Bullion boy or those women,
they have no fault. To me, that's everybody have his opinion, right? Eh? How can a man people like my Benin sister, like Monica, have a husband at home every day, always online, or they're going to wait for crying loud sake. They're going to wait for crying loud sake. As you get.
I realize video. I realize video. I hope more. I realize video. I hear. I realize video.
No, they wanted to go to bro. For my stake. That's what I said. I repeat it. I can repeat it 1,000 times. A man build your home. That's what the Bible told me. The Bible never recommend you to go and build a mansion. Build your home is to build your own wife because you both are not born from the same family, the same mother or the same father. You are not brought up from the same family, right?
Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, you can't. Thank you very much.
Carry on.
Just so my people. Oh God. Hello.
My leader.
Hello.
Baba this man.
I greet you all for good.
I greet you. Umo is speaking here.
Our speaker fire down. I'm trying to take time.
Ume no timani tabana. Timano wa koke kepa. No wa tabana. I want to know no what I need. Again, I mean, I mean, personally, I will personally get my personal. I am way area. Meta, now you go who may I church you know what it must. It must not give me you a church in the church or Yawa. On a video. No one, but by this, my Matanuga, one company concern of the Vera, La Vera, Emia, Ubege vera, ikabo we irunira biye na wa ogele sunu be awe kokmano kirikiri. Ivera iye wogo ti ero egbe o, ogo ti won. No respect oni ro egbe o so fa oti ni kiri ni yon lo ti ori. O we le nwa se vera ka 100%. Ivera dere me nwa ye inu ko ba le ri o ni wa wi amu eyo. Oku ni wa I'm very sorry for that. I say thank God I will be banone or banone salubano be banofo or the banone when we are settled with John Yakiri.
or a set of what you need. Mana, you beg everyone watching to net, my large auntie, my do way, you know, any papa is mine, ever you know, Yano, any, or large out to India. I will your boy. A new couple or ye, we are a cook man on it. If you are can acquire man with GPC. Chief Salubwa.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I have
Yes, so you understand, you know, about the far. For now, let us not pick up because this saga is going to sweet. I'm not going to pick on now. I want to let me remove the talent. I'm not going to mountain. I need to remove the talent. I don't need to be distracted because the mood I'm going to enter. I was in the mood of speeding. I want to speedalize GPC. I have a GPC new who I have a carry twin. You know, funny guy. Twin. You understand? Who do a vera no ma vera. A vera la wa give video na vera. Sisi ni we me sagana all the video I'm going to do for you is go vera. According to your name or we can any lagi. If your name is a vera, your video must vera because who make me one because zoa vera you go to zoo homa mugwe you will not calling me a omozo you not saying where am I going for me. Today you know that a boy now is a Muslim. Oh God, if you break him, you don't know anybody know that. Let me give you a good track. Every time I ask you, God, you need song. You need to play song. I want to sing my song. I want to sing song for Vera. Hey Vera no ho. Hey Vera here you are. Oh, if one cool music here, Vera got down yo. Obi understand me now. Vera Obi yo. Vera dame home, we do dame home, uhe no go dame home, e vera no more, egbewe kevera, iyan ge wuse bugbe egbewe, iyan nati we vera, ubiomi sene, agbo mo yo my din, ana we vera, yo mo yo wa. Nugaye webo, nuya yuwe na gbigbi yaga, nuya gbigbi yaga do dole mo dole raji wa, orise webo ne. Una we GPC, iwine GPC, omuwe. Una we GPC, udada munya huwe. Beni here kiambuwe nya. Omi sonbio yowa, una file yakwa. Umagba ogera gba ogije gba ogote gba ogegbe. Egbe na ko bokugbe. Yamuwela webo, urise webo ne. Una le lo prasun ewe gbera bi omo be hundawe. Olomo yoyo wan no sesege. Elogo we na u. Akeye kakan wohi. Omo le wa la jane. Akeye kakan wohi. Omo le wa la jane. Ubio mi se wo wa. Ubi have webo. Eya una we nu wagun webo wa. Ukion koko ga mi opa. Owe ya gbane. Una we no gu ewu wa onyo gyo homo omi senu bieye Nigeria una abadoniyan ewo riyan ya gbe ki mu ke ya oyan gbe lo mo wa wo wa wera se webu ura zo we gabu ura la social media o wa telu we ki wara zo wobu wara zo we wobu the social media o ma de reba Umarwa wigai auzon auzon arade ya makin kuta ama elize esiwinyi ara se ba enule e pore jaka e vera gekwega mu vera ario fe no keruru arienye no keruru e banwe ti adoka mi ma wuwe láyé GPC re e banwe ti ala ti na wuwe ti dey on your own. My sister, if you dey on your own, nobody go stand for you. Even when you dey fight, now you dey stand for people. Nobody dey stand for you. My sister, you need to go back to a suru group. You need to go back to a hunde ekuye ozo group. Nowhere kaye because why? Ewa re nu waye, a ona le lu wa we ni. Ewa re nu waye, a ona siko wa hunda. Ihenari anusi. Hallelujah, ya mivie, gagwe vedene, gemani re GPC, evani gabie, ori file mokwa, evani gevo wodo, emonika gevo wodo, ivie gevo wodo, ivie biele filo kwa, where we get, where we be, who feel equal. Uma de bebe, uma ra we guy, able we bed of the safe that they flow together. Osi na me we were bonala we best down we on Baba with this man when you down we in every nonsense there is always a sense. Me you will never get your more a GPC and na me game money red GPC in my jomo o grab your more aramwe more. Ori so go, ori so go. So ma orare mani re GPC. Iya ma mo ohun ni file mo kwa iya ma sen. Ohun no mwe bogbe money abie. Iya ma sen because why uhiya be iya nya no yuto. Iya re kare ni gboro ewe iya re ka wele iya garo iya gije keke no kinyanki eba ya ba ekai iya ga ba ejone iya ga biele twatwa every week iya ya be ebaru na venisu aga wasaga iya eso wala ezisi aga wasaga eso wa your pressure be imaswe ni wa beba so pono winye kanye meka imu omo pa oteme no boro agbada idasa agbada gun dukia be boro ire mogo now vera this thing listen very good obi understand me now udera gbowa Monica is in pain. I'm in pain. Monica right now is in pain. The lion in her, they are leaving her gradually. Because no panorama girl. Back on you one of Holland. On your lovely Ikuya. Only never but only one chance. A loving runner, I've been on the road, but only one chance. Understand? When no more that no more like the way I tell you him or duga watch chest the bullet in Monica. I deny you one who can look at you who barefoot, who boyful. Understand? When I'm near who will catch your book with that way money. Una no can humiliate him, no can insult him, then you will not tell me that you want to leave Monica. My sister, you died there. Who you wait? When we attack, when they look back. If we are so, when a social media or Susu Mayido, when we social media, Agwana, why Tana Yalovi, and there are move, you know, and now my sister, you are in this together, you die here. Agbon Bonsibon. You understand? Two young beg once that's why. After you insulted me, you humiliated me, I imagine Mary la Giannis will wear vera where we go no until so have you no going. You understand? Now you want to run away. You go nowhere. Obio, you go nowhere. Mock power big boys. He has said, make me out here, let go. Oh, my boy, you no, let us on a more reasonable note. Let's come to reality. Even we're insult. Are you put this category? Let's come. First of all, let me talk about Lolo. Lolo, are you the same category? You bunch of illiterates. No matter school. Are you going to classify yourself as a Lolo? Even though I don't be a guy, you where be a guy grade. Where may go on? Where might be a vera? Where might be a guy in a grade? Even name Monica or might be a guy grade. Do you think people are the same categories? Name be a work or my way grade a grade raw. It be a solo number with 5,000. It be a solo number with 20,000. Abuba, if it not the boy, we might a grade raw, a life video projectors, my grade raw, a grade raw. If you talk about life video projectors, a grade raw. Who we are boy, Gilolo, who will be a ballad, our bayo. Wait to make Binalo, me make Binalo. We are good Binalo. We are here good Binalo. Are you okay? Okay, when I wrote Lolo, when I Bobo me, Rena Tower Lolo is a Dutchess woman. A little critters are in a gizzard. When I Bobo, when I clap, but I already smile, I don't drink. In a Ranwayo, when I Bobo me, or you say Buana, wow, I have Bola, one of your ba, one of the Abu, one who down, I put on a water. I will eat water, I will proper. You are a view. When they give it out, wow. They also have Bilama Amalo, book. We are rather will get Roboka. Was Saloa, war. vera o ma be mu o de ma gbe ko we o we aye gwe agwe o yo ma gbe agwe be yi gwa ge rita iye gbe wa gba kin e o la vera iye gbe rita ba kin e o ga de rita inya ma oro gbogbo oye kokobiri o oye gamba disho odo ikia to no salo no gwo ikunu ga koko oye koko vandalization kokobiri to no gwo o da kun erita yiku media ona modo le legbe ona mulegbe oda fun emi o mo wa ku ami ope na ko be no kere ko nyewe ko match we ma de ko da ferita oda ferita ma yina go zuo oda ferita ma yina no ho duan oda ferita ma yina na go da fe monika oda fe monika ha gwa moni e ho ti monika moni ona e monika oni ti mo da ne agie oda fe monika yina go gwo jana ogun wa de monika ni we ma de e kulikuli ogun wa de monika ni we ma de go da fe monika vera no na gelia o mutan de na ga no o de le vera na magele la ke monika vera wo o ma la ke monika to so why ke monika o vie na le monika gbe una gbe na le we ma go da fe monika ni ni o ma so pia we ma go ma so pia ke monika ho don we pa mu enya o don e wa on is there akun ke monika bari yeri we love ni agbele yo na akun ke monika bari yeri we na love ni agbele yo na akun ko agbo ye we agu we monika na le ge e va be da we honya e va be ya go wa ne imoto ya la de fascine e get you down for finish it's gone il y a vera là e vera ya yo e camp score e camp ni vera ya no ma we vera ma ru we vera this one ki wa go e vera ha ki online dating sites ora yi ona agwa le bodo muri wa ondo a we wa vera tv wa tv wa ti duwa na ye dudu wa ko gbegbe no ma se gidi wa bola o gbe ye wa be wa polo yan kan hu na asin wa go wa mo ni ko do we na scissors bola wa gba mo na plaster a fi okodi a fi wele a fi choko a be soko wota soko asomi soko ya ga asomi soko on we be this video na o de guaga e belis de ga pon e belis no gbe mu ri una ri ehun if already apiko we done o gbe ni ayo bo wo apiko mi to wa o bo mu yen o de iko ni mi aro wozo wa ye wa ro wodo o ku no ro wodo o gbe na mo anyori umu hi ku ron so bia no so we o una mo anye gbe na to ta una ga we ro wodo una ni ro so bia we no ku we no ro wodo that means mi na pa wa eva we na de ko na ho wa ke no gubo wa de o ke no gu wa no wa gwa ma o ke no keep me no o pa wa ya o go gbe lu wa ya no maro bi ni ke no ta la dia o ke no pe record o ke na pe record ma ke no record o pa wa ya o ko no ro wodo we hi ron so bia we no ku no ro wodo wa da ho de kini wado eke o mado ekekia wado ekekia enyando afi wele afi chichi o bele go so mo ni ekekia wado o de rapo na po yo ba we ga ye lodi see your life outside you na mo wa here na give na mo wa here eki gbe agenu wado ke no pe voice ke na pe voice ma o ke no record o ke na this man you will have the same better you are better the same better flocks together o ji wa igbe agenu wa yaria igbe agenu o mu wa yaria wa re bodo pretend that me wo ma se e vera ita ma o gbon o ye na to wo joke no your life you can never make it. I told you can never make it. How many times did I tell you that this Deutschland is not made for you? It's area we yomu we yomu of video e wa na make ya e kiaro wa make kiaro e kia wewe wa make kia gegero wa be you are wa me wa gbo we no we gu me bu we no ma ti gba owo mu wa ho wa no wa e wo bi we de ya omo pa kan me Nigeria oye na we go no is bigunya kwere a bed your weight on the first or I bed your on the first we're going to hear a live video all your life all people lifestyle is on live video all you put lifestyle is on social media go why money ma plaster I'm a plaster or where I'm a plaster. Plaster where can you just imagine? Very anyhow people. They will not come on live video or you make up in okay, make up or petting when or petting one to you put a vibe. God, just living a lifestyle on social media. Only one you big name mama with the smell. Name of universe. Name of breakfast. MC with the spring celebrant. All the shine or shine. Little that others follow. All you want to give all your self name and you are not acting to anyone. Or can I give any like you act according to your name? That shows that name you giving to yourself or people giving to you match you. You understand? Leader that leads other followers. I don't see other that following you. You're only leading these people in the darkness, and they all remain in dark. They all remain in the dark. Who will be beauty? Who might meet that more? Either if you move going, if I allow you think you can fool everybody, you can fool about this man. Vera that for no that for escuno you, escuno na for you, escuno ya deceive on you deceive when you buto. You know, see, blame followers because your mom and they have, you see, a fool that does not know that he does not know is a fool. A fool that does not know that he does not know and does not know that he does not know and does not want to know what he does not know, he remains a fool forever. Can you understand me? A fool that does not know and he does not know that he does not know and he does not want to know what he does not know is a fool forever. Or you follow us, Monica. Or I follow us, Monica. They will think they are not stupid. You might waiting like a war. You might getting a zoo because can you just imagine? One for years, you didn't see any light in your life. You're supposed to deviate from it. You didn't see anything good that comes out. Everybody are always insulting the person you are following for the years. Everybody are always pointing finger at her, insulting her all the time. Don't you think something is wrong with that woman? Can't you sit down and think, or use your head and look deep into that woman? Use your own head and don't listen to what that woman is saying, or listen to yourself speaking. Watching that woman and listen to yourself speaking. Look at the body movement. When people speak to her, look at her body movement and think about what you think. Think of what you think about her. And you know if this woman is guilty or if she's not guilty. You people just sit down quietly, clapping hands for her in all of the atrocities she's doing. Do you mean the same person that was also on her side? I've not been the one speaking against her. Or you think I am stupid, or you think I am mentally deranged. I don't know what I'm saying. You understand? I don't know what I'm saying her. Why I not call you say you they do this kind of thing? Majority of you people are also doing the same thing that she's doing. It's not that we don't know. But some of you people are doing it, but not just that you are doing it because of evil. Not because of evil. There are some women who get husband for us, they still sleep around. They follow Monica too. Some of they follow about this matter. You understand? But you know the reason why you're doing it. In every nonsense there's a sense. In all this that we are saying, some of people are deviating from it. Some of you are deviating from it. But can you just sit down sometimes? Look, Monica, why I say everything, all the bad things when they talk about this social media, and Monica body about the talk now in body. So when they sit down and the things there, why I say walk back, in we get road, woman, and when you love them, why are you your judge? Why are you even no nothing we are judge? We no word, we know what we do. You know the tradition as a married woman. We know what the so they hang that Arab boy. We know what as benin tradition. We hang that Arab boy. I'm going to need to book on the road. I'm going to know what to talk about. What by Daniel? Ra know what to also give away are you okay? Who are we so wherever walk by a book away yaga? We don't know what to see when we buy or what that you say you as a married woman, you are sitting down there, you are looking. And one I mean you really one I walking by wood. I war of you by wood. That really body my time, eh? I really or money with us. ah wa fin wa we because wa me nwa because e kin wa we do ni o si o ma gbo won ya gbo ga kwaro o wa ga kwaro because e kin wa we do wa ni gbo le monica e kin wa we do wa ko yo o ko bu wa gbegun ne ge block wa ra ne ge virus wa la je because wa vie no wa ni san o ko iso ge o si no han agwo awo I aga gun tawo ama gun tawo ogun na me gun ani obi le pari awo do ma ye gun o se duwu no gbebere o wa le se o wa ti we be ile mo na o so mo wa ho hin e wa wa se ejini no o ga do yo ne ari I change e ari boy awe na vo na ina mo be yo emu na oni pa kan so ne bu ma ti ku wa ya hunwa because e kini wa do wa go wa di pobole le no you was da wa gbele ka you boro wodo wa go yo wa ya we kini de e joma e o mo bonu de o we kini de wa we kini de aso wa gbe o ka wa o se gbe no because wa ye gwe e ga ye bon emi nu wa gwe e wa ya ba mi wa na gbo ge o ge ni wa ma mi wa o bi wa so abele kale lo ni wa ge gwi wa ga ti ba bu were ah izak ma na ya bolu wa ya gbo because who that woman the mind na we bo o mind na wo wa ni wa do we wan le mo kan yana ope ni pa iwa e mo ni gbo kan la we bo no marry na dolo he wo wa no marry na si de koko we de agbe iya ma he na ya iya ma ko ga fi we yo ha ta zo wa ni kuni re we bo ma ni iya ma he ni wo ko ga fi we yo ha ta zo iko ni buni re ma ko ro wodo na o ma ke no to ta nya kala da bia but agbe ya ga we train nya kala na gbe o de ga wa so ni wu agbe ya ro we train nya kwa o ko no wodo ma ke ta iga to ta ko we o ko no wodo ma ke ta to ta gbo ya kala because a juice trouser a 30 e ko ni buyo wada ya me na so any yana o ko no nya kala o je ta ki fi o nya kala o nya ma da e train e po we ye wo e po ye mo ma na ki na zo wu o wa de goni because it no ga fi epu la de o de goni awa ya na hu awa ya o ki e dosi o ke no sno abun o ne e mama o mie o bien o ne mama o mie o fo ne I have no sno give me your number ni ku ni ru to da ge hu da we e so e ki wa go me so this go e get e Monica gang e ba ba la wa this time around because why it was exactly mamwa is 550 years o wa here agbe o ibu wa de no de o wa almost to gbe o last card o wa agbe o check out you not tell me o ko no marry na dolo e wa no marry na ton e wa you doesn't know where how many years now o ko ke ari wodo when you are 20 something years and from 20 years your mother will start teaching you what is about home marital home o ko no gele mo buwa you will see your mother will start teaching you about marital home. Oh, you know, I will give now, you know, I don't know. Uno wari, uno kun, because we were going to take this man so we are, you know, what be. You know, give now what do, Akbolo, Adolo, Ariogonodo, and they are going to go to the Unia, they go to that here. Good morning, dear Koto, good morning, sir. Bon John. No, oh, you will salute boy, I must be my father. Or don't you know what I want bon John? É uma bom John. Oh, bon signore. Now you will not see these children now are all in Europe and because of the poverty. 16 years, 18 years, fly down there to Europe and they are since they are in Europe, they don't go home. They don't even know anything about traditions. They don't even know about anything about marital home, but they are all of the gay children. All of the gay children. So these same women, we as a presenter, we know all these things about the culture women on all these things, on how to live when they are married in their married home. Now for Monica, they teach the evil thing on how to use rubber, plastic rubber. They satisfy themselves. They satisfy themselves. Waiting you as a woman, we know all these things. Okay, you know, they teach all these things. I had my guys in these things. I got to teach you now on how to hustle your coming. I'm going to teach woman how you go to hustle your company. You need to hustle your company. Because some men, they don't feel they make woman they come. You know, if woman don't come, no, they enjoy that thing. I understand now. Okay, good. We are only at least once in a while. No, we are no, we are we so that thing I make you understand. So you be understand now. You know, I'm not saying many people don't know. When I'm close, I'm picking you. I this one. It's very important. You know, you need to teach your. Yeah, me, I'm going to go understand. Can we? Hey, I know. Nine. So to. Kayo, iyari, Eva no. You understand? It's very important. You understand? It's very important because most of people need work and what do it yala mugena. But that thing is and a panel, a fabrica work a bit pacune. I want to rock back on. A fabrica work a bit pacune, but Sakamoria no munya who is so well. Or see another way. Iyamonare is a problem. Iyamonare is a problem because a bonia young winner, it was work back. It was a ja. Or what to you, a boy, we no we do no jiva, we here on the moon, you are a boy, a moon yo, a boy, worry ice cream yo, or worry ice cream or you are quick. A boy, war, or a fin, or a when ice cream in a quick or you need walk because ice cream. Who can us know that baby? Who can us hear we are piano, amore, gracia, amore, agure, gracia, amore, gracia, amore, piano. Understand now? Okay. Udogena, me we no we do no dekun, or we do a way bonny, or we do no always as a traditional man, in your body, una ya traditional man, or even a real lie, and I really understand because as a traditional man, you're supposed to know all those things, all those tricks. When I will make your wife come because what do they? Oh, one way, we are the Kunoka bone, oh, Nibuka, Mahomi, or me, where I don't know you are as a man. That you are expecting him to be happy when you are just going 5 minutes. You expect that woman to be happy. That woman will still be thinking, that's one common sense, no common. So as a man, why don't get your work down? Why don't keep working to yourself? Back to a you need to know all these things upstairs. You know, I get here. You understand? If you know the money carry him, I will tell them the truth. If you don't say money, every gang because you like it come, they must come. You wanna come, I am coming. Where if I go? But sister, where you go? Where if I go? You don't stay here with me. I am in your man come, problem, you know. So you guys need to learn all those things on how to make them come at the right time. Before they must come before you come. Oh God, you understand my language? They need to come before you come. Oh, my brother, I'll teach you that thing. I'm very good. Maybe now on secret mode. If I small open WhatsApp group for that kind of level now. WhatsApp group, but I will tell you, I'm small. Maybe if we want it because this woman, maybe you should yeah, that's I want to be a Canadian. I understand. Understand? So, so we'll call it. We'll call it a day so that very good day will teach now. We'll teach now those that kind of. Now the truth in every nonsense there's a sense. It's not saying a joke, bros, man. The truth I tell you now, because women will definitely meet Oyibo, will definitely deal with Oyibo. They are kind of sexuality style is different from normally the kind of Oyibo. Women have the Roman Danny Bono in a new Yamu, Yamaro, even if they know that they don't want to carry last. All these things are just Nigeria baby and yes, and we robo. Who you know Nigeria kekese ko ile bo yan area who you know Nigeria they come like say we know the who ya mo ko Nigeria where makan almost na problem you know olago ya to see you almost already. So all those things now what you supposed to know. So okay, are you who you are? I'm married now, okay, you must try make am real, understand? We that media our head, we do our head as a man. If na hand you fit do am tell you can your boy start any I'm coming also you so na can your boy start me understand what can your boy start no can no start we buy okay we you go wa honji all one thing you understand all wuvuni all you or uvuni, the animal get a clear, or uvuni, or you worry, a code in the door, or you know, no barrier. Well, that's only in your internet, you know, barrier, or you worry, try to be touching that place. No, you know, you're touching. Try to uncle channel you are channel now with that. Understand? We are channel with that, you cannot know Jack better and we are doing it. Always have a sweet voice. They give them better style, like oh, you look sexy, you look beautiful, you know, and they enjoy that. Wow, are you standing? Do want it to a guazibu, understand? Eu, o kanua, Ivano, o kanua, Igboya, Boko, Igboya, Musi, o Igboya, o Kamera, Salo, o Kamano, o Kambewan, o Kambewan, o Kambewan, Ijari, master of this kind of, you didn't give out again, who can release, who are looking at the Jar, master, oh, I'm doing a doing who like be bubble? Head to be bubble, my brother. Gary has Sunday. All about I give a soundtrack. When the soundtrack is busting my neck behind, the soundtrack in the tally, you know, busting my neck behind. It's all a busting home, not be joke. It's all a busting home. I mean, no like it, no man. It was so small, it was so awesome now. All this kind of soundtrack, you know, to fear. Oh, wow. You don't understand, you know. When we had get to go now, all this so when we Vani, quit it, when we joint in, or I swear, joint in the war, so we joint in the war, when we joint in the war, so you are so general, okay, also, don't you just Irano, oh, Ijari, so, I look, make you know, use a break, especially I wish you money there with you need to be very, very sensitive because why? You are very dangerous to follow. You understand? So now they cost many. I have what you have. My building might be not called. I understand. So guys, you need to use brain. They know those things. You understand? I agree to now. But so this is just the beginning of the saga. Even if you don't welcome a Vera platform right now. Vera, you are welcome to One Monica Talk Show because you bully me because of this talk show. What is the meaning of One Monica Talk Show? Why we are keeping hey, One Monica Talk Show? They care now. And we are being by a platform. The platform that we have a platform that we make here and we are being by Vera. A platform that we have to Zanzu we ganfu. Mama Monica Talk Show. Me tell me I change the name. I change the area. Why I bully boy? You feel me so? So I greet everybody with that style. I will see you tomorrow morning. Understand? Aku you know, aku ibu Vera de, ayah Vera off well.